Melissa and Doug, created by me. Wooden Magnets Craft Kit in-depth reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 2,969 ratings and 130 reviews. 95% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 2% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said simple and fun. My daughter enjoyed every single one of these kits. You get paint, gems, and glitter glue. The glitter glue was her fave. She was able to be creative and do whatever she wanted and had a blast while doing it. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Multi-volume set. Cannot separate. A little disappointed as I bought these to use as 3 separate individual gifts, but it looks like they cannot be separated. This is not clear from the listing. That's it.